So, 3 days ago, Edo State Governor Monday Okpebholo gave a strong warning to His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi. He had warned him that he would require official clearance and notification next time he was going to be in Edo State. Now, this will not be the first time we're seeing a state governor react to Peter Obi coming to his state. But it just makes you wonder, why is everybody out for Mr. Peter Obi? And does Monday Okpebholo have the right to tell a free citizen of Nigeria not to visit another state in Nigeria, especially where the person in question or the character in question causes no harm to anybody? Also, while Mr. Peter Obi was in Edo State, he was able to make a very, very enormous donation to the nursing school in Edo State. Remember, he is a man who loves the nursing schools in Nigeria. It will not be the first time we've seen him share this benevolence with nurses in Nigeria. Why is Monday Okpebholo mad at Mr. Peter Obi for visiting Edo State? Mayor, over to you.
Firstly, Okpebholo is a rogue.
Why is everybody calling him a rogue?
Because that is what he is. In no sane line, there can, in a sane country that has that things are done properly, in a democracy, a democratic country, where people elect their leaders, not where leaders are selected. There is no sane country where Monday Okpebholo would hold a public office. He's an illiterate. He's a thug. You can't point out to one good thing that man has done in Edo State.
So what characters led him to governance?
You know the way the APC way. You know the APC way of installing people, selection, not election. So Monday Okpebholo saying that Peter Obi, before Peter Obi get Batana Edo State, now Peter Obi need the security clearance is a rubbish statement, and it should be condemned. Till today, I'm still waiting for ADC. The only people from ADC that has condemned that is, I think, their official spokesperson. But I'm waiting for other, politicians to actually stand against this stupid statement made by that man.
It did not end there.
Firstly, his charlatans are going around lying that there was stampede at the event where he came to, but they have not been able to show us one single evidence that about 3 people died. Where are the 3 people that died? So a character like Okpebholo should not be taken seriously, but that threat should not be taken lightly. Peter Obi is a citizen of this country, and by being a citizen of Nigeria, he has the freedom of movement, of association. He is free to go to wherever he wants to go to. So people are saying that is against democratic values. It is against democratic values, and I feel like Peter Obi should stop being soft. I don't like that any politician today a political jobber today, whenever he wants to trend, he remembers that Peter Obi exists.
But what is Peter Obi supposed to do in this situation?
He is supposed to, if left to me, Peter Obi should sue him. Peter Obi is yet to release a statement concerning this. He is supposed to reply that man with a strong statement and a serious lawsuit, because it is a threat to his life. It is a threat to his rights as a citizen of this country. If Peter Obi is traveling by road from Lagos to Anambra, he has to pass through Edo State. So do you want to tell me that for him to go from Lagos to Anambra, getting to Edo, he has to call the governor for security clearance or what? That is a very foolish statement to make.
Well, while Peter Obi has refused to react to the story, a few Nigerians, international bodies, activists, individuals in Nigeria have gone on a rampage. People are pissed off. They are calling for Okpebholo's head on the internet. People are calling him out. There's been a visa ban already. Senior advocate Falana is already calling and suing. Atiku has spoken about this. Kenneth Okonkwo has spoken about this. Other statesmen and women are calling for Monday Okpebholo's recheck. And also, for some reason, someone leaked his WAEC result.
Yeah,
on the internet. Oh my God.
The work result has actually always.
Oh my goodness! And you know what? He actually failed the course government. And it was difficult. It was difficult to put the two together. A sitting governor who got into government by questionable means, failing government like D5 or something like that. Like it was terrible
That
to
is
look
to
at.
show you. That is to show you the kind of empty head he is, and that is another reason why he should not even be near any public office. He should be a tout. He should be working in all these parks where they load buses. He is not qualified to be a governor. I said it.
While we're saying this, we have first-class graduates in this country who are struggling to have jobs. We're calling out young people for refusing to work in this country. We're asking young people why they will not go into our labor force. And then we have stark illiterates, people who
leading the best of the rest.
It doesn't even make sense. The future of the Nigerian youth is quite devastating to look at from here. Because if I was a young person who's probably still in the university and I see a character like Monday Okpebholo with that result, heading a state in Nigeria and has so much power, and then how do you think our young people feel spending all of these monies being in schools only to come out and have questionable character in government, questionable character being applauded in society? Mayo, this character that we are seeing displayed at the national level, where Odikade any reward according to Casey we deserve where. What do you think it's telling our young people?
It's telling our young people that simply that you are not regarded. Obruna, when something trending on Twitter on Sunday, which is the Nepo baby versus the Lapo baby stuff.
Meanwhile, I can't give you long.
Lapo, can I help me?
Osama London Highway.
So, obviously now, most of the appointments, or before you get a reputable job in this country, you have to have connection. So many people have now taken to other illegal, ways of making money. And it is setting a bad precedence because there is dignity in labor. When you fake automoto, kalia nam na biolu every day. Mbiasholo at the end of the month. Akwamu gwam deserve. When you feel ugusi nam na lolum, nam na luta egumji. I survive. I take care of myself and my family. That is just what the young people of this country want. To be able to make money to sustain themselves. Most times now, when we make money now, we're just working to feed. You can't even fuel your car anymore. You can't even go on fancy dates.
Fancy? We're still struggling with dates. Enugu men, please leave the chat. We're still struggling with dates. I can go na anye mesibero dates. We're still not fancy dates. We're not fancy dates.
What is wrong with Enugu men? I'm not.
I can go na Enugu men. I dey take Rwanya to date. May we're still not fancy. Date it fancy.
Enugu men, come and defend yourselves.
I've heard the other comment section. Mana the thing na dia sorokwa ochi ndị na-alụ na Bank of Industry na Nigeria kafara na ọchịchị fa na hierarchy fa niile na-achị onye ka president anyị si ebe o si wee offer nwa IBB president Bank of Industry ya bụ young man wee sị mba biko na aka ya adịrị ya na ya chọrọ ikolo okwu ndị Nigeria mana it just goes to show you something as important as such a position can enye by selection. Obulukwu ife nepo baby because for no one took weba me my point Bank of Industry. Inye kuro no me.
Inye kuro no.
Nepo baby is no long of ebe fano. I say besi. I
tie na one juicy position.
A political position Nigeria. EGM like imago.
Oh no, gift. The one name recently, Ebia na Twitter, Bia call Peter Obi on for 1 month.
Okay.
And you get invite. Logo media ifena.
I West media nya West.
Ebia can you go free George call Peter Obi on.
That's a Kosibi on weekend.
Ịkọ Peter Obi ọnụ ịkọ ndị Igbo ọnụ inwetago
Aridelu unu letters you na ewekwa n'iwu na akpofukwa na ma akpofu ka nkọchala unu ọnụ nwebele mana come on while we're smiling because sometimes anyị etinyetu nwa ọchị na some of the terrible things in eme anyị n'obodo maka na anyị nwere ego ije eju ụlọ ọgwụ for high blood pressure, but it doesn't take away the fact that the things that are happening here, it doesn't look like we know what we are doing.
To be honest, it's see, a lot of people. A lot of people need put in the work. For myself, I don't sleep. I'm always in my office. Mondays, even Saturdays and Sundays. When I get back from church on Sunday, I drive straight to the office to make sure now the next work week that is starting the next day on Monday, that things are already in place. But when you look at the reward for all that work, it's not encouraging. Most of us do the work we do for passion.
But if you take out passion and integrity from the Nigerian corporate/labor industry, what else do you think Nigerians are working for? Because Odolumanya na civil servants no boda kita. That is the going MO for everybody that is earning salary in this country now is to earn the salary, pay off your previous debts, and then borrow money. Marcelo Garcia, because while we're talking about it, this country is yet to pay 70,000 naira minimum wage to her labor force, and I'm not even joking. And in the minimum wage and kagagokwe.
My state CBS na aku 80,000. Now aku 75. Where was you?
Like lamba. Hafane nyanyi lamba no.
Agezo ku ine cheche this country ike aguge. Mana all the go koyado. All the koyado.
Anyways, nke bụ nkata isi ka just tinyetu ọnụ as e dey hot ma ọ bụrụ ndị kwuru okwu breaking news I say ka I drop onya while it's still hot. Tinyela anyị aka na comment section, binyekwala anyị aka na follow na subscription. Ka isolo anyị n'ife anyị na-eme. Onwe ife akụkọ ịchọ ka itinye ọnụ, onwe ife na-eme n'obodo anyị ịchọ ka itinye ọnụ, tinyela anyị na comment section ka anyị welie ka anyị tọpenya na nkata anyị na-akpa. Daalụ na ịnọnyela anyị. Meyosi ndị na-ege anyị ntị bye bye.
Bye bye no. Anyị ga-afụkwa ụbọchị ọzọ.
Daalụ.